The shared experience of travel brings people together. A family getaway, a romantic trip, or a long weekend with friends can strengthen important bonds. Travel is a special way to deepen friendship. Whether it's a quick road trip with co-workers or a week-long sun and sand getaway with your high school group, travel will remind you why you became friends with them in the first place and how good it is to spend focused time together. Travel is also a great opportunity to make new friends, either fellow travelers or locals. Meeting and befriending new people is a valuable travel benefit, and once you have bonded, new possibilities for future travel unfold, either to visit them or a journey with them.